The BMW Group Plant Spartanburg plant in South Carolina is not just an assembly site, but a true epicenter of innovation for the entire BMW X crossover line. By the 2027 model year, the company is preparing to produce two iconic versions at once, classic X5 and fully electric iX5. And it's doing it in a big way. The recent $1.7 billion expansion has turned the plant into BMW's first ever assembly line, where cars with 5 types of power plants are born side by side, from traditional gasoline and diesel to hydrogen and all-electric. The Spartanburg campus covers over 7 million square feet and employs over 11,000 staff. Since 1994, over 7.3 million cars have been assembled here, and today the plant produces more than 1,500 crossovers every day, half of which are exported to 120 countries around the world. This is the largest BMW plant in the world and the main competence center for the X family, which sets the standards for all other sites of the concern. More than 2,600 high-precision robots work in the stamping and welding shop, including KUKA's unique Titan. These 6-axis giants are capable of lifting and moving body elements weighing up to 1,000 kilograms, completely replacing traditional conveyors in this area. In the paint shop, robotic systems don't just apply paint, they monitor the thickness of each layer in real time and instantly detect the slightest defects so that no car leaves the workshop with a defect. A special role in the production of electric versions is played by the nearby Woodruff plant, located just 15 miles from Spartanburg. High-voltage batteries of the 6th generation are produced here using cell-to-pack technology. The cells are integrated directly into the housing, bypassing the intermediate modular stage. This not only increases the energy density, but also reduces the weight and dimensions of the unit. It's important that the production at the Woodruff site is fully powered by renewable energy. No fossil fuels are used here at all. At the final line in Spartanburg, technology is reaching its peak. The conveyor is designed to flexibly switch between different types of power plants without stopping production. Robots on mobile platforms install complex components, from the panoramic iDrive panoramic display to engines and chassis with micron precision. And quality control is entrusted to the iX system. Artificial intelligence analyzes data from cameras and sensors in real time, detecting deviations that the human eye might not notice. Another facet of innovation is the pilot projects with humanoid robots Figure AI. In physically demanding and monotonous operations, these machines take over the routine, allowing employees to focus on tasks where human control is needed. In addition, the factory is actively using smart gloves with scanners and exoskeleton vests. The former speed up logistical operations, the latter reduce the burden on workers doing overhead work. Before launching any new modification, engineers first run it through the plant's digital twin, a virtual copy of the entire production line. This allows to identify weaknesses and debug processes even before the first real body hits the assembly line. This approach is part of the BMW iFactory concept, which combines digitalization, sustainability, and maximum production flexibility. Did you like the BMW factory? Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.